The prevalent image associated with a mobile dwelling is often one of stark functionality, prioritizing efficiency over elegance, sometimes verging on an aesthetic lifestyle. Yet, the extraordinary residence dubbed the Homey Midcentury Haven decisively challenges these preconceptions. Far from being merely practical, this compact structure radiates an unexpected richness of personality, cozy comfort, and a delightfully retro flair. As a frequently showcased example in the tiny home community, it stands as powerful proof that embracing a scaled-down existence does not necessitate the relinquishing of high aesthetic standards or domestic contentment. The architectural strategy here masterfully navigates the inherent spatial restrictions of a portable unit while integrating the warm, uncluttered forms and earthy textures characteristic of authentic mid-century modern design. The cumulative effect is a truly inviting refuge that manages to feel substantially more expansive and permanent than its actual diminutive footprint suggests, encompassing a modest area of roughly 300 square feet. This tiny house exhibits a superlative command of spatial organization through brilliant and unconventional design solutions. A pivotal element contributing to its feeling of interior openness is its deliberate construction to be wider than the standard road-legal width. This crucial adjustment effectively eliminates the cramped, linear sensation typically experienced in mobile tiny homes. Furthermore, the floor plan is anchored by a striking main living area, furnished with a full-size couch and highlighted by an appealing wood-burning stove, instantly establishing a central hub for relaxation and thermal comfort. The commitment to superior craftsmanship is immediately apparent in fixtures like the custom-built wooden windows, which not only lend considerable individual charm but also act as conduits, flooding the entire space with generous natural light. Significantly, the design integrates a ground floor bedroom with ample headroom, a coveted, often omitted amenity that underscores a focus on long-term livability and homeowner comfort, contrasting with the common necessity of lofted sleeping quarters. The dwelling's interior is where its devotion to the mid-century modern sensibility truly comes alive, fusing the iconic style with an approachable, deeply comfortable ambiance. This vintage-inspired aesthetic is achieved through carefully selected fixtures, such as retro-style appliances in the cooking area, and a consistent, warm palette derived from the generous application of natural timber finishes.